If you've been invited to be a participant in a Cheddar Up peer-to-peer fundraiser, you can easily customize your fundraising page. Participants are invited to register through an email or registration page. Upon registering or being invited, you will receive an email with a link to access and customize your personal fundraising page. Click Get Started from the email to go to your page. You will be taken to the edit mode of your personal fundraising page, where you can customize your page to make it your own. You have the ability to edit your avatar photo, upload a personal video or image, and add a message to your supporters. Be sure to click the button View Page to preview your page along the way. Once your page is just how you want it, you are ready to share it with your network. Click the button that says Share Page and copy the URL for your fundraising page. Then share your page. Get creative, send emails, text messages, and social media posts to spread the word and tap into your network. You can view your fundraising page to track your progress 24/7. Your fundraising page will display your total collected, as well as each of your donors and their donation amounts, and possibly even some words of encouragement from your friends and donors. Some organizers may give you control to set your own fundraising goal and/or to record your completed activity, such as laps run, pages read, etc. If your organizer has allowed you to record this information, you will see a field to input your completed activity on your fundraising page. This will need to be done within a certain time frame, so look for a reminder both in your inbox as well as on your fundraising page.